Hello viewers, if I try to update WhatsApp on my iPhone but WhatsApp is not updating. This update has been going on for a long time but the update is not completing. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all open WhatsApp. Just open WhatsApp and then tap on settings icon. Now go to storage and data option. Now go to manage storage. From here, free up your WhatsApp storage. Now scroll down. Open chats. Here you can see all the media files that you have been shared. These are occupying your phone's storage, so delete them. Similarly, delete the storage of other chat as well. After completing this step, now open settings. Go to general. Now go to iPhone storage. From here, free up your phone storage. Just delete unnecessary files and media. And free up enough space to install WhatsApp. After completing this process, now scroll down, tap on WhatsApp. Now upload your WhatsApp. Again tap on upload app. Now reinstall WhatsApp again. Now go to App Store. Now see, problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.